In this video, we'll learn to compare measures of length: millimeters, meters, centimeters, and kilometers. In order for us to compare them, I'm going to try and put them in order. So we'll pick the smallest one. As we've said, a millimeter is roughly the width of a fingernail. A meter is about the length or the distance from the tip of the fingers of your hand to the shoulder of the other arm on the other side. And a centimeter is about the width of the finger. Kilometer is what we measure distance in, so it's much larger. It's distance from between one place and another. So that's got to be the biggest unit, kilometer. And of course the smallest one is millimeter, because we said it's the width of the fingernail. And centimeter was about the width of the finger, so that must come after the millimeters. And then we have meters, because a meter, as we said, was the distance between the tip of your fingers to the shoulder on the other side. So if you need to recap these, we've got the entry to a video on measures of length. So we've put these in order from the smallest to the biggest, and I'll rewrite these in a row. So we'll try and recap how many in each of them. So how many millimeters would make a centimeter? And a ruler comes in handy here as well. So the small divisions, there are 10 of them in 1 centimeter. So there are 10 millimeters, which make 1 centimeter. And how many centimeters would make a meter? We said like a centi is like century, so there are 100 of them, like 100 years in a century. So there are 100 of these that make a meter. And from the meter to the kilometers, there we said K stands for 1,000 in real life. Like I've got 2K followers, that means 2,000. So we're saying there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So this should help us with the rest. So we'll try and compare now. Let's say one item measures 7 millimeters, that's the length, and another one is 1 centimeter. So which one is going to be bigger, 7 millimeters or 1 centimeter? Now we said that we need 10 millimeters, the small divisions, that 10 of those that make 1 centimeter. So we haven't quite reached 10, so this must be smaller than a centimeter. So I'm going to say 7 millimeters are smaller than 1 centimeter. But if we have, let's say, 15 millimeters comparing to 1 centimeter, what would that be? Now that's more than 10 millimeters, so it's somewhere here. So that's definitely more than 1 centimeter. So 15 millimeters are greater than 1 centimeter. Let's try and compare some other ones. Now let's say we've got 53 centimeters, trying to compare them to 1 meter. And we've said that we need 100 century, we need 100 to make a meter, so this is less than that, so I'll write it this way. But if we have 148 centimeters, for instance, that is more than 100, so it is more than 1 meter. And if we have, let's say, 5 meters, the length of the classroom is 5 meters, and we're trying to compare it to a kilometer. Actually we need 1,000 meters to make a kilometre, so that's much smaller, so we'll put the smaller than sign in there. And if we have, let's say, 1005 meters, so the length of a stadium is 1005 meters, and we compare it to 1 kilometer, that is bigger than, because it's 5 more than 1,000. So I hope this helps you compare measures of length.